birthday. I'm finally 21, everybody. I know. Don't I look great? Thank you so much. Whoa, my goodness. We are the Sounds of San Marco, ladies and gentlemen. I'd love to take a moment to introduce you to who you're seeing up here on stage with me. In the back on the drums, we have Sarah. On the keys, we have Beckett. On the violin, we have Attila. And as for me, I'm your vocalist. My name's Mieka. Nice to meet ya. Oh, shucks. Thank you. Oh, spring weather. Am I right? Whew. 1 minute it's hot, the next minute it's cold. Sometimes it's hot and cold in the same minute. It just changes every 30 seconds. And then there's all this yellow stuff flying around in the air, and it's all got my body confused, and I'm feeling downright feverish. Attila, darling, you know what to do.
Your arms around me, I get a fever that's so hard to bear. You give me fever when you kiss me, fever when you hold me tight, fever in the morning, fever all through the night. Everybody's got the fever, that is something you all know. Fever isn't such a new thing. Fever started long ago.
these incredibly talented humans have a little something special prepared for you. Toodaloo! with such incredibly kind and talented human beings. Oh, you're shedding over there, my goodness. All that playing. Well, friends, we're going to slow things down a little bit for you. This next song is quite an iconic duet, made famous by none other than Judy Garland and Barbra Streisand. Now, if little old me is going to do any justice to this duet, I'm going to need a little bit of backup. Attila, darling, would you be the Barbara to my Judy?
It's really my pleasure.
Perfect.
Forget your troubles, come on, get happy. You've got to chase all your cares away. Shout hallelujah and just get happy. Get ready for the judgment day. The sun is shining, come on. across a river, soon your cares will all be gone. There'll be no more from now on. From now on. Happy days are here again. The skies above are clear again. So let's sing a song of cheer again. Happy times, happy nights, happy days are here
Thank you all so much. Whew, I don't know about the rest of you, but I could certainly do with a little bit of good luck in my life. If I'm being completely honest, I could do with a lot of good luck. Woo, maybe I'll find a little lucky penny heads up and put it in my pocket all day long for good luck. Or what if the entire sky opened up and rained down pennies from heaven? I think we know a song about that. Huh.
Well, every time it rains, pennies from heaven. Don't you know each cloud contains pennies from heaven? You'll find your fortune falling all over town. Be sure that your umbrella is up, upside down. Trading for a package of sunshine and ravioli. If you want the thing you love, you must have a utility. And if you hear thunder, don't run under a tree. It's the pennies from heaven for you and me. Attila, I have a challenge for you. Now every time it rains, it rains. And don't you know each cloud contains? Every time it rains, it rains. And don't you know each cloud contains? You find your fortune falling all over town, over town, over town. You share your umbrella. Upside down to live up. I'm a loser, oh, by the boy, yeah, by the boy, oh, by the boy, I'll let you win that round, Attila, but I'll get you next time. Take it away. Anything you'd like to add here? You'll find your fortune falling all over town. It's the pennies from heaven. Pennies from heaven. Pennies from heaven for you and me. Well, my friends, the time has come to raise the roof and have some fun. I'm just messing. You guys were ready though, I love it. It is time for our last song. I know, try not to look too disappointed. But don't go anywhere yet because you have an entire song to enjoy. Now that being said, in jazz standards we sing a lot about skies. There's the famous song Blue Skies. Anybody heard of that one? Okay, a couple. I can work with that. You've definitely heard of it. I know, I can tell. Well, in this set alone, we've sung about the skies clearing and happy days coming out again. We've even sung about pennies raining down from the skies. But we haven't touched on my favorite type of sky yet, the sunset. I think we might know a tune about an orange-colored sky. Sunshine, out of that orange color.
Shout